Hello, this is Dave Buggy with Strava Technology Group. There's a lot of confusion around Dynamics 365 and pricing and licensing topics, so I thought today we would do a short video and just run you through the basics around pricing and licensing. So first, let's talk about a bit of an overview of the Dynamics 365 solution. First, Microsoft Dynamics CRM is now Dynamics 365. So the name of the product was changed back in 2016. So the name Dynamics CRM is no longer accurate. It's now called Dynamics 365. And Dynamics 365 is a suite of business application functionality that's pulled together into one platform. So, starting at the top of the graph on the right, there's functionality around sales, marketing, finance and operations, customer service, field service, and also project service automation. These can be licensed as individual applications, or you can license multiple applications under what's called a plan level license, and we'll take a look at those and cover those in just a minute. There's also a light user license for Dynamics 365. That's called Team Members. The Team Members license is meant for light users, as it says, and it gives a user the ability to read access across the sales, service, field service, and project service automation modules of the product. You can also write information with a team member's license to contacts, accounts, notes, and activities. So writing information means either creating or updating information in those different areas of the system. You can also read and write to any custom entity that's created, and team members cannot access marketing lists, cases, products, contracts, or work orders. So if you have users that need access to those items, you would need to get them either an application license or a plan license. So let's first cover the business edition. A lot of information out in the market today. This video is being made in September, late September of 2017. And about a week ago, Microsoft announced that they would not be releasing the business edition for sales and marketing. However, there is still a business edition for the financials application. The business edition financials application is an application that was built off the Microsoft Navision platform, otherwise known as NAV, which is an ERP system by Microsoft that's been in the market for quite a long time. Very feature-rich ERP application. They've taken that application, they've modernized the user interface, done some integrations with Outlook and so forth, and then released that as what's called the Business Edition. The Business Edition only includes the finance and operations component, so it does not include sales functionality, it does not include marketing functionality. However, you can license the Business Edition financial application alongside any of the Enterprise Edition applications or plans. So let's say you did want sales and marketing, but you also would like to implement the finances or financials version of Dynamics 365. So in that scenario, you could simply license the Business Edition, which down below you'll see it's $40 per user per month. And then you could also license the Enterprise Edition applications or plans that you need, like sales, marketing, customer service, etc. So you can combine the Business Edition and the Enterprise Edition applications or plans to create a full suite for your business. The functionality within financials includes financial management, inventory, purchasing, project management, and also includes some really nice Outlook integration. So right from within an Outlook email, you'll have a drop down that you can interact with quoting, invoicing, orders, and also credit memos as well. So again, the pricing for the business edition is $40. It only includes the financials application, which again is components of Microsoft Navision. You can also get a team members license for the business edition for only $5 per user per month. And that allows you to basically execute some processes and perform some light tasks. If you'd like some more information on that, just shoot us an email. We'd be happy to give you some more information on that. And then also, very similar to QuickBooks, is the external accountant license is now included with the Business Edition financials, free with any full user. Okay, so if you have an accountant that you'd like to get into the application to balance your books and so forth, then you can invite them into the application, and you don't need to pay for their use of the application. So let's now talk about the Enterprise Edition. It's licensed as either individual applications or plans, which is groups of applications. So let's first cover the application licensing model. So these are applications that you can license individually, or you could license more than one application. However, at that point, it really makes much more sense to go to a plan level licensing, as you would save money, and we'll see that here in just a couple of minutes. So the applications that you can license, first of all, the finance and operations component of Enterprise Edition is built on Dynamics AX, or what used to be known as Exapta. Much higher end ERP functionality in AX, meant for larger businesses, wholesale distributors, manufacturers, etc. Very different than the small business financials application. Okay, so the small business financials application is really kind of thought of in the market as the next step up from QuickBooks. But the finance and operations component of Enterprise Edition, again, is meant for typically larger organizations or organizations that need much more robust, true ERP functionality. It is also not able to be licensed as a standalone or individual application. Okay, so you have to get a plan level license if you'd like to license the Enterprise Edition finance and operations component or application. Okay. So the applications that can be licensed individually or could be licensed together is the Retail Edition, and that's $170 per user per month, and that's a version of Dynamics 365 that's been highly tailored towards retail businesses. You can also license the Talent application. That is Microsoft's talent application that they've built and integrates with LinkedIn. Okay, so we're not going to go over product demos today, but a real powerful solution that just came to market in the past month or so, and meant for HR departments or for staffing firms that do a lot of hiring or placing of talent. Some really slick functionality in there, but that alone you can license for $40 per user per month. The sales application is lead management, opportunity management, customer account management, etc. That is $95 per user per month if you license it alone. The customer service application, which is case management, knowledge base, and other customer service related functionality, also $95 per user per month. Project Service Automation, a fantastic module to the product that allows businesses that perform project management, whether it be internal or like us, being a Dynamics 365 implementation and services firm, we do a lot of projects, obviously, with customers. So we run our entire business on Dynamics 365, and we use the Project Service Automation to manage all of our projects, all the way from inception through time and expense entry and tracking, budget management, tasks and deliverable management, etc. Again, not to get into a whole product demo here, but really powerful application within the Dynamics 365 suite, and you can license that for $95 per user per month. Field Service, again, another very, very powerful application within the Dynamics 365 family. Was based on an acquisition of a company called Field One, which was the most well-known field service application for Dynamics CRM. Microsoft acquired them. They built the functionality into Dynamics 365. And it will enable a business that performs field service to perform everything literally from the reporting of an issue all the way through to billing of components that you might take with you on that service call, service technician time, management of service contracts, etc. And you can license that for $95 per user per month. Microsoft Relationship Sales is an application, again, that just came to market recently, and it is Microsoft's integration with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator offering. So it brings LinkedIn perspective into Dynamics 365. So when you're looking at a contact or an account in Dynamics 365, you've got all the rich LinkedIn information that's being exposed right inside of Dynamics 365 as well. And that you can license for $135 per user per month. You do need a Sales Navigator team or Enterprise Edition license. The team license, I believe, starts at about $130 per user per month. So you have to factor that in as an additional cost to the relationship management sales module. And then finally, you can license Power Apps on its own or in combination with any of the applications here on this slide. And that's $40 per user per month. And Power Apps lets you build applications very, very easily, pretty non-technical way to build applications that might interface with Dynamics 365 and other systems. So for example, if you're a QuickBooks user and you'd like to license the sales module of Dynamics 365, then there's a Power App that's available to you that you could bring in and connect the sales edition of Dynamics 365 with QuickBooks. Also, finally, there is team members licensing available alongside these applications, and the team members licensing is $8 per user per month when you buy it in combination with any of the applications. Again, the applications can be licensed individually, or you can license multiple applications. But again, at that point, it really makes much more sense to go with a plan level licensing, which is what we're going to cover next. By the way, if you'd like a demonstration on any of these components of the system, if you haven't seen these recently, they are just absolutely amazing applications. Just nothing short of amazing. Microsoft has been pouring innovation into this product. So if you'd like to get a look at any of these, reach out to us. We'd love to provide you with a demonstration and discuss how these different applications might fit into your business. And you can reach us on our website listed at the bottom of the screen, or on our 800 number, 844.8.strava, which is 844.878.7282. Or at the end, we'll have an email address for you as well, which is info@stravatechgroup.com. So feel free to shoot us an email. We'd love to do some free demos for you of any of the applications that you see here. So let's switch now and let's talk about the plan level licenses. There are several plan licenses available with Dynamics 365. And they're all kind of structured around a business need. Okay, so again, a plan level license is a number of applications licensed together for less than you would pay if you license these applications individually. Okay. So, for example, there's a Plan 1 license that's $210 per user per month. And with that, you get Finance and Operations. Again, that's the Enterprise Edition, which formerly known as AX. The Retail Edition, again, if you license that on its own, it would be $170 per user per month. That's included. The Talent applications included, as is Sales, Customer Service, Project Service Automation, Field Service, and Power Apps. So the only thing that you don't get as part of the Plan 1 license is the Microsoft Relationship Sales, which you could add on and license individually on top of Plan 1. The Unified Operations Plan is $190 per user per month, and it includes Finance and Operations, again, the Enterprise Edition, the Retail application, the Talent application, and then Power Apps as well. So with the Unified Operations Plan, you don't get sales, you don't get customer service, you don't get project service, field service, and if you want relationship sales, you license that individually. You do also get Power Apps, and there is a team members license available at $8 per user per month. The Customer Engagement Plan is $115 per user per month, and it includes sales, customer service, project service automation, field service, and Power Apps. And also, again, team members at $8 per user per month. Finally, we've talked through a lot of pricing, and hopefully this cleared up maybe some confusion around the licensing or around the pricing that you may have had. Now let's talk about a discounted pricing promotion that's available in market. I don't know when this is going to be pulled from the market. So if you have some interest in this, it might be to your best advantage to act on it sooner than later. But there is a discount model in market right now. And what that offers you is the ability to license just the sales application at $40 per user per month. Again, if we look back, the sales application on its own is $95 per user per month. So this is a significant discount available right now. You can also, if you license the sales application as part of this promotion now, you're able to renew that pricing through December 1st of 2019. So you're locking in that pricing for at least 2 years, if not a little bit more than 2 years. There is a maximum of 25 licenses. So if you need more than 25 licenses of the sales application, then you have to buy the Enterprise Edition. However, keep in mind that Team Members is also available at a discounted price of $5 per user per month. So let's say that you have 30 users. If it turns out that you only need 25 or less of the true full-blown sales functionality and maybe 5 users of Team Members, then you're still going to qualify for this promotion. So just keep in mind that Team Members is also available, and you can license up to 150 Team Members in combination with this promotion at $5 per user per month. A couple of other things to be aware of is that the discounted pricing is only available to new customers. So if you're already a customer and using Dynamics 365, then unfortunately you would not qualify for this promotion. And it does apply both to online or on-premise. Okay, so if you're an existing CRM on-premise or Dynamics 365 on-premise customer, then unfortunately you would not be able to obtain this promotional discounted pricing. Okay, so if you have a unique situation, just give us a call. There are certainly some cases of exception. So give us a call. I'm working with a company right now that's splitting off from one company. So they're splitting off and going out on their own, and we were able to get them an exception with Microsoft so that they were able to get the lower price per user per month. If you need customer service or you need sales and customer service, then there's a promotion at $65 per user per month, and that includes both the sales and customer service workloads in one license. Okay, so even if you had more than 25 sales users, but less than 50, then it would still be a better pricing model for you to go with this promotion and buy up to 50 of the sales and customer service licenses at $65 per user per month, because again, the sales module on its own is $95 per user per month, and the customer service module is also $95 per user per month. So if you have less than, you need 50 or less licenses, then this certainly would be a good fit for you, $65 per user per month. Again, you can license it through December 1st, 2019, lock in the price, and it is only available to new customers as well. And once again, Team Members, $5 per user per month, and you can license up to 150 team members in combination with either the sales or the sales and customer service promotions that are here. So really, really good pricing available. Again, I don't know how long that's going to be in market. If you'd like to move forward and get a quote on this discounted pricing, certainly reach out to us. For any licensing that you buy through us at Strava, there is free training available to you with all license purchases. So we'll give you some upfront free training to help you get up and running with the application. And again, that's available with any license purchase from us on any of the products that we've talked through on the presentation today. So if you like what you see, you'd like either to talk about licensing options, you have some questions about licensing, really for anything related to Dynamics 365, give us a call. Our number is 844-8-STRAVA, 844-878-7282, or send us an email at info@stravatechgroup.com. If you are an existing user of the Dynamics CRM or Dynamics 365 solution, we're an expert level professional services firm and would love to help you out with anything you may need there in terms of training, support, data integrations. We do a lot of work with both the on-premise and the online versions. So we do a lot of work upgrading on-premise customers to the Dynamics 365 solution and also migrating a lot of customers from an on-premise solution over to online. So again, if we can help with your existing implementation, give us a call as well or shoot us an email at info@stravatechgroup.com. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. Feel free to visit our website. We've got a great blog with a lot of information about Dynamics 365. That's stravatechgroup.com. My name's Dave Buggy, president of Strava, and I want to thank you for joining me today.